In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your money on PayPal. This is a very quick and simple process, and once you know where to look, you can check your available balance in just a few seconds. This is useful if you want to confirm whether you've received a payment, see how much money you currently have in your account, or review the currencies connected to your PayPal profile. To get started, simply log into your PayPal account. Make sure you're signing in through the official PayPal website or app so your account stays secure. Once you've entered your login details and accessed your account, you'll be taken to the main account screen. As soon as you're logged in, you should be able to see your balance immediately. In most cases, PayPal displays your available money right on the homepage or dashboard, so you don't need to go through multiple menus just to find it. This balance gives you a quick snapshot of the funds currently available in your account. Depending on the type of PayPal account you have, you may also have access to a wallet section. If you're using a personal account, going to Wallet can give you a more complete overview of the money in your account. This area is especially helpful because it can show not only your main balance, but also any different currencies your account may be holding. For example, if you've received payments in more than one currency, the Wallet section can help you see those amounts separately instead of just showing one total. That makes it easier to understand exactly what funds you have available and in which currency they're being held. If your goal is just to quickly check how much money is in your PayPal account, logging in and looking at the main screen is usually enough. But if you want a broader overview, especially in a personal account, the wallet area is the best place to look, and that's really all there is to it. Log into your PayPal account, check the balance shown on the main screen, and if needed, open the wallet section to see more details about your money and currencies. It's a fast and straightforward way to stay on top of your PayPal funds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.